In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide recent game activity on Steam. If you want a little more privacy on your Steam account, this is a quick setting that can make a big difference. By adjusting your profile privacy options, you can control who sees the games you own, how long you've played them, and your recent activity. This is especially useful if you prefer to keep your gaming habits personal or only visible to certain people. To get started, open Steam and go to your profile. You can usually access your profile by clicking your username or profile picture within the Steam app or website. Once you're on your profile page, look for the option that says Edit Profile and click on it. After that, select Privacy Settings. This section is where Steam gives you control over what other people can see on your account. If you've never changed these settings before, it's worth taking a moment to look through them so you understand how your profile is currently set up. Inside Privacy Settings, find the option called Game Details. This is the key setting for hiding recent game activity. Steam uses Game Details to manage the visibility of your games list, your playtime, and the recent games you've been playing. Now, set Game Details to the privacy level that works best for you. If you choose Private, your games, playtime, and recent activity will be hidden from everyone. That means no one else will be able to view that information on your profile. If you choose Friends Only, then only people on your Steam Friends list will be able to see your activity. This is a good middle ground option if you still want friends to view what you're playing, but don't want that information visible to everyone else. For even more privacy, make sure the setting called Always Keep My Total Playtime Private is enabled. This adds another layer of control by hiding your total playtime, even if other game-related details might be visible based on your privacy settings. If you want to be as private as possible, this is a good option to turn on. Once these settings are in place, your Steam profile will reflect the privacy level you selected. Keep in mind that these changes affect how others see your account, so if you ever want to make your activity visible again, you can return to the same privacy settings page and update it anytime. And that's it. That's how to hide recent game activity on Steam quickly and easily.